What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019. The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home. People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached. Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved. Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night. The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo! For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning. When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019. They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed. Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this. This has been Documented Reality. Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story.